My name is Standefer. I am the AGM of Maintenance and IT, and I oversee a few other various departments within CityLink. CityLink has been using B20 fuel for well over a decade. Starting about 2010, we were using a lower mixture of biodiesel fuel, and then we realized that our buses and our maintenance efforts could keep up with a more robust biodiesel mix, so we were able to go to B20. There's quite a few reasons why we decided to go with B20. There was quite a bit of cost savings with it. It's also the health of our employees, the health of the community, the health of our riders, and the health of the planet. So with B20, there's less black emissions and smoke coming out of the back of the buses. Therefore, our employees, the riders and operators and everybody else won't have to breathe that in. B20 helps to eliminate all that. One of the biggest benefits mechanically to using B20 is our DPF filters. Those are the filters that kind of grabs like the soot that comes out of normal diesel, that collects it before it gets emitted out of the back of the buses. What we're finding with using B20 is those filters last longer, so there's less effort from a maintenance standpoint to go on there and change out those filters. And we're also finding that since this fuel burns cleaner, it allows our buses to run smoother, which is better for everybody. Better for the riders, it's a better experience, it's better for our operators who are sitting in these buses 40, 50 hours a week. And I also am a big believer that whatever we can do to shrink our carbon footprint, we should do that, and this allows us to do that. We operate 22 hours a day. That's a lot of emissions coming out of all of our buses. And B20 allows us to lessen our carbon footprint. That's something we can do easily, so it's a win-win. Making the switch to B20 was a very easy process. All we had to do was get a hold of our fuel distributor, and we will now be using somewhere around 600 to 650,000 gallons a year. I think that the B20 fuel is more reliable year-round than what it would be compared to a regular diesel fuel mixture. So we're finding out that our fuel tanks are staying warmer whenever they come back in the winter. I would encourage other transit agencies to switch to this type of fuel, from fire trucks to other transit agencies to other diesel buses to school buses. There's quite a few reasons why. If you look at the effect it has on public health, planet health, and just the overall cost savings that it provides, something that all transit agencies should really look into. CityLink is celebrating its 50 years in service, and we want to be around for another 50 years providing clean transportation to our community, and B20 helps us do that.